In this video, we're talking about SOPs in the age of AI, specifically what still needs to be documented even when you're using tools like ChatGPT, automation, and AI agents. A lot of founders assume that once AI enters the picture, SOPs matter less. The thinking is usually the tool can figure it out or we'll just prompt it when we need it. But here's the reality. If AI is touching your workflow, you already have SOPs. They're just undocumented. And what actually happens is the opposite of what founders expect. AI doesn't remove the need for SOPs, it makes weak processes more obvious. By the end of this video, you'll understand what still needs to be documented in an AI-powered workflow, what you can stop over-documenting, and how to think about SOP in a way that actually saves time instead of creating busy work. I'm Erin from Paired, let's get into it. Why SOPs still matter in an AI workflow. Before we talk about what to document, it's important to understand why SOPs still matter at all. AI is fast, flexible, and powerful, but it's not contextual unless you give it context. When teams skip SOPs because they're using AI, what usually shows up first is inconsistency. Different people prompt the tool differently, outputs vary, decisions feel ad hoc, and suddenly the same task is being done 5 different ways. SOPs don't exist to slow teams down. They exist to create alignment. Even with AI in the workflow, your team still needs a shared understanding of how work gets done, what good looks like, and where human judgment is required. Here at Paired, we see this pattern constantly. Teams that rely on AI without clear SOPs move fast at first, but they hit friction quickly. Teams that document the right things scale much more smoothly. What AI can handle and what it can't. Once you understand why SOPs still matter, the next step is knowing where AI actually fits. AI is excellent at generating drafts, summarizing information, organizing data, and speeding up repetitive tasks. It shines when the work is structured and repeatable. So where it falls short is decision-making, prioritization, and nuance. AI doesn't understand your business context, your risk tolerance, or your standards unless those are clearly defined. This is where many founders get stuck. They either document everything, which overwhelms the team, or document nothing, which creates confusion. The goal isn't more SOPs, it's the right ones. The SOPs that still need to exist. So what should you actually document? Even in AI-powered workflows, there are a few categories of SOPs that still matter deeply. First, decision-making SOPs. Your team needs clarity on when AI output is just a starting point and when human judgment will take over. Who makes the final call? What happens if the output doesn't feel right? Without this clarity, people either overtrust AI or avoid it altogether. Next, quality standards. AI can move quickly, but it doesn't know your brand voice, client expectations, or internal benchmarks unless those are written down. SOPs should define what done looks like, tone, accuracy, formatting, and review steps. Then there's ownership and handoffs. AI often sits in the middle of the workflows. One person prompts it, another reviews the output, and someone else implements it. If ownership isn't clear, tasks stall or get duplicated. Finally, edge cases. AI handles the average scenario well. SOPs exist to guide the movements that aren't average. Client complaints, unusual requests, errors, or situations where automation breaks. Why AI makes bad SOPs more obvious. Once AI is in place, weak SOPs don't stay hidden for long. When processes aren't clearly defined, AI outputs vary dramatically depending on who's using the tool. One person gets something usable, another gets something completely off. The tool hasn't changed, expectations have. AI does not fix unclear processes, it actually amplifies them. If your team isn't aligned on what success looks like, AI simply helps inconsistency scale faster. This is something we see repeatedly when teams layer AI onto workflows without tightening their SOPs first. SOPs as a training tool, not just documentation. This is also where SOPs start doing more than just sitting in a folder. In AI-powered teams, SOPs become one of your most effective training tools. They help new hires understand how to think about work, not just how to complete tasks. They show where AI fits into the workflow, when to rely on it, and when to slow down and apply judgment. This is especially important during onboarding when context matters most. At Paired, we encourage founders to treat SOPs as alignment tools, not instruction manuals. The goal is confidence, not micromanagement. What you can stop over documenting. As important as SOPs are, not everything needs to be documented anymore. You don't need step-by-step instructions for things AI already standardizes well, like basic formatting, first drafts, or simple summaries. Over Over-documenting these areas slows teams down and discourages initiative. Instead, focus on documenting outcomes and guardrails. Let AI handle the mechanics and use SOPs to define expectations, boundaries, and review points. Making this shift alone saves teams a surprising amount of time. Where founders go wrong with prompts. One of the biggest mistakes founders make is treating prompts as a replacement for SOPs. They rely on good prompting living in someone's head instead of documenting how AI is meant to be used. That works when one person is doing everything. It breaks the moment a second or a third person touches the workflow. Without guidance, everyone prompts differently. Outputs change, quality drifts, and founders find themselves pulled back into reviewing everything again. SOPs don't need to document every prompt word for word. They need to explain intent, when to use AI, what kind of output is expected, and what should happen if the output isn't usable. That's what keeps AI helpful instead of unpredictable. SOPs as a safety net, not a straitjacket. Another misconception is that SOPs limit creativity or slow smart people down. In reality, good SOPs act as a safety net. They give people confidence to move quickly because they understand the boundaries. Inside those boundaries, there's room for judgment, creativity, and improvement. This matters especially in AI workflows where speed is high and mistakes can quietly compound. SOPs make sure errors don't scale along with automation. The goal isn't control, it's trust. SOPs, AI, and overseas teams. All of this becomes even more important when you're working with overseas talent. AI tools don't remove cultural differences or communication gaps. In some cases, they make them more visible. Clear SOPs help level the playing field so everyone understands expectations regardless of location. Here at Paired, we don't just help founders hire overseas talent, we vet candidates specifically for their ability to work within structured systems. That means the people you hire already understand how to follow SOPs, use AI responsibly, and communicate clearly in remote environments. That vetting is what turns SOPs from theory into something teams can actually rely on. How SOPs affect speed and confidence. A common concern founders have is that SOPs will slow their teams down. In practice, the opposite tends to happen. When expectations are clear, people hesitate less. They make decisions faster because they know the criteria they're working toward. We see this often at Paired. Teams gain speed not by cutting corners, but by removing uncertainty. SOPs create confidence, and confidence compounds. SOPs and vetting, why both matter. Of course, SOPs only work if the people using them are capable of following them. A great SOP won't fix poor communication or lack of ownership. That's why vetting matters. At Paired, we vet candidates not just on technical skills, but on reliability, clarity, and their ability to operate inside documented systems. When you combine strong SOPs with properly vetted talent, AI becomes a multiplier instead of a risk. How this ties back to hiring. All of this ties directly back to how you hire. When someone joins a team without documentation, they rely on guesswork. When they join a clear system, they ramp faster and make fewer mistakes. This is why Paired focuses on more than matching candidates to roles. We help founders avoid building everything from scratch by providing frameworks that already work, including how SOPs fit into AI-powered workflows. Why this matters for founders. At the end of the day, AI isn't replacing operators, it's changing how operators work. Founders who document the right things scale faster with less stress. Founders who skip SOPs because AI will handle it usually end up firefighting later. SOPs don't make teams rigid, they make them resilient. AI changes how work gets done, but it doesn't remove the need for clarity. The teams that win aren't the ones with the most tools, they're the ones with the clearest systems and the right people operating inside of them. If you need the right remote team members who can help you create SOPs, live by them, and execute with consistency, Paired connects you with vetted overseas talent who thrive inside of structured systems. Book a free strategy call using the link in the description. I'm Erin from Paired. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.